This is the moment of truth.
So this should be the quiet one.
Yeah. Okay.
Now I can do this.
That's quiet. That's loud. Yeah, that's loud. Morning.
Morning.
What's going on?
Taking the exhaust off.
Oh. Why are you doing that?
Well, the Americans don't run exhaust, so I thought I'm not going to either. I need to fix the valve.
Okay. Who's going to fix the valve?
I might try welding.
No.
I'll probably mess something up.
No, let's not. What's all this going on here then?
But
That looks like wire wool. That looks like an old trick from the hot rod days.
it might be quieting it down a bit. Stopping it from being 137 decibels or whatever it was.
Excellent. So does this mean I've got to get myself sorted then and come and help you?
Like I say, I always try welding it. Got to get it off first, though.
Oh dear. All right, let's see how this progresses then. So YouTube land, here's the dilemma we've got today. Apart from a boy laying under his car. So we've got a labyrinth of exhaust parts going on here. We've got one side of the exhaust system, which is the silence system, just there, and then behind it is something that makes it a little bit more throaty. And as you can see, there's loads of crossover pipes there, and this exhaust valve was welded in. I'm going to turn you upside down, this will be interesting. So that exhaust valve was put in there, but unfortunately it's crap and it's broken, so it's got to come out and we've got to weld another one in, which is going to be mighty interesting. So exhaust off, lay it on the ground, and then see where we go from there. And that's what it looks like when it's off. A complete labyrinth of pipes and bits and bobs. The boy likes it. It's an interesting setup, and this is the offending thing. This is all brand new, but unfortunately it failed. It's supposed to be quite an expensive one. They're actually trying to sell them for about £1,000 on eBay at the moment, which is ludicrous, because to be honest, they're a bit rubbish. It lasted literally 2 days, and the boy brings the new parts, so that's got to come off. Welding to be done, and if we go into the garage, the messy garage, that's the box of new bits. So what you got in there? Oop. One valve. That's actually what it is, just a butterfly valve, and some
Cut that off.
piping. Oh my god, this is going to be major surgery. Yeah, this. So yeah, basically going back outside to the exhaust. That has got to somehow be grafted into there, and yeah, the problem I'm seeing straight away is I'm not sure how much clearance we've got, so we have to figure this out, because I've got to do some welding on there, get a flange put on one side and a flange put on the other side, and yeah, and it's got to go back up in there again. This is going to be an interesting day. Cutting time! PPE! sweaty. Do this on a hot day like today.
Where
Yeah.
is it? Just there.
The only trouble is now getting to the bottom bit.
Yeah.
I may need to hacksaw that.
I think that's what we did originally anyway. But yeah.
Right. Hello. Oh, I'm leaking. Now this is proving a bloody challenge.
There's a hole in the exhaust.
There's a
Just small
hole.
one.
Yes. What we've got to do now is get a flange on that side, which is proving tricky, and then decide where this little baby's going to sit, and then chop that. Put that in. Easy, really.
Simple.
Yeah, just a 10-minute job. It's almost a 10-minute job. How long have we been at it? A couple of hours.
Don't know what the time is.
Oh, good fun. Why do I do these jobs? Why do I get involved in trying to get your old car sorted out?
Because you said I can't use the arc welder.
I'm obviously a mug for a good dad, don't I? No, I think a mug. Oh dear. These are supposed to just slip straight over.
It did come from Hong Kong.
Ah! That explains everything. Nothing Chinese or Japanese works. Look at your valve. Yeah.
Yeah.
Did that work?
For 2 days it did.
Yeah. Don't work now. Technical term is buggered.
Yes.
Oh, happy days. Probably get this flange on, then realise it clashes on the body.
We'll see. Alright. Let's carry on.
It's broken. Well, truly broken. So,
It's only 2 tips now.
yeah, got the flap on that end. Got it all sorted out. Putting the flange on this end, and then in theory, that flange there should then drop in there. Like that. That it does. And then we do a bit of weldy, and then maybe actually enjoy myself and get some sunshine.
Maybe.
These glasses are knackered. What's the woman doing? All right. Not a lot.
Yeah.
Right. Should we get welding?
Yes.
Yes. So almost there. Got all the brackets welded in. Just now doing the final fit. A couple of brackets to weld on, and then bolt it up again. So it's on. It's going to take a little bit of adjustment because it does clash sometimes when you get it into the wrong position. So you've got to get it quite square, but there's loads of adjustment on there. So yeah, we're almost there. I'm just going to weld the brackets on and bolt it back up to the car. And we shall see how it performs. Yeah, up there. So what's the summary, boy?
Well, we'll have to see when it's all on. Make sure it doesn't blow or anything. Or break the valve. I think that one seems a bit stronger than the last one anyway, so
Yeah, it certainly does.
it should be good. If it is a bit slower.
Yeah, slow doesn't matter.
No. Just means if you see a cup and it's all open, you've got to wait a moment.
Why do you do these silly things?
Well, the Americans can get away with it all the time, but over here in Britain they hate straight pipes. No idea why.
Because they're antisocial.
No, they're safe. You can't go and tell the court that you didn't hear me coming, because you definitely did.
Yeah, mind you, Teslas now have to have a motor and a speaker in the front of them.
Oh, all electric cars do.
Yeah, to sound like a motor.
I did have to find that kind of ironic, to be honest, because they literally said that probably 2 weeks after they started saying about those noise cameras that they're introducing. So we want everything to be really quiet, and then all of a sudden, oh yeah, we actually want all the quiet vehicles to make lots of noise now.
Right, let's plug it in, see if it works okay.
Go for it. Ooh, where's the button? There's a button. Right, open. Bit of metal. Opening. That sounds like it's sticking on something.
Let's adjust it a bit. Try that.
That's jamming.
Try that.
No. Uh-oh, might not fit.
It just needs a little bit of tweaking. Try that. Just fine tuning.
Yep.
Try that.
Sounds somewhat better. Yep.
Yeah, sounds good.
Tighten it up.
Tighten it up. Bang it on the car.
We'll just make sure it does when it's tightened again as well, so make sure it doesn't move. There's one problem I can sort of imagine might happen with it.
What?
Well, heat makes metal expand.
Yeah, but it'll all expand together.
If you say so. All tight?
Yep.
Sounds good to me.
Job done. Put the brackets on. Bang it on the car. Perfect.
Excellent. Right.
Okay, so the exhaust is back on again. Whew, and it was interesting. It was quite a task, but it's back on, all bolted up. The boy's just doing some wiring with scissors. I'm not sure what that's all about, but
Control the box.
right.
So we held in position.
Okay, so yeah, it's all bolted up, and now we're just going to wire it in and then start it up and see how it goes. Right, we'll join you back in a minute. I'm going to wash my hands. And now, the end is near.
Should be close. Right.
Right, let's see. This is the moment of truth.
So this should be the quiet one.
Yeah. Okay.
Now how do you do this?
That's quiet. That's loud. Yeah, that's loud. Yeah, quiet. That's quiet. Much better. There you go. successful job done. Excellent.
And it's on a remote.
And it's on remote. And you happy?
I am.
Good. You owe me a beer. Or 7.
Thought you weren't drinking.
I'm not
until
drinking.
Your holiday at least
I'm,
over.
I'm not drinking. No, my liver doesn't work anymore.
When you come off your holiday, I'll make sure there's about 20 packs in the fridge for you.
Can't drink anymore. My liver's shot. That's it. It's gone. Finished. Over. I'm a dead man walking.
I'll get you some non-alcoholic beer.
Oh dear. Right. That's it. We're going to call it a wrap.
I think so.
Alright. Group hug. Group hug. Sweaty group hug. Alright. That's it. Let's tidy up. Say goodbye, YouTube.